We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of AKAVAC Cord Stick Vacuum Cleaner, 25 kPa Powerful Stick Vacuum, 2-in-1 Vacuum Cleaners. Consists of the following features. Powerful suction and deep cleaning. The Cord vacuum is equipped with 600-watt high-power motor, one-touch power on and off. Stick vacuums can easily remove dirt, debris, dust, pet hair, cat litter, pet food, and other litter. But it is not very suitable for long-haired carpets. 2-in-1 versatility. The stick vacuum cleaner with a variety of suction tools, including floor nozzle, crevice tool, and 2-in-1 brush, can easily switch to handheld vacuum with various attachments, allowing you to clean everywhere in your home. Efficient filtration system. Cord vacuum cleaner features a fully sealed cyclone filtration system with a HEPA filter and stainless steel filter, capturing up to 89.99% of fine dust particles. It effectively prevents secondary pollution and ensures clean, fresh air. Lightweight and portable. The Cord stick vacuum is only 3.7 pounds and ergonomic handle allow cleaning with just one hand. Easily converts from stick vacuum to a handheld vacuum with two versatile attachments. You can easily take this stick vacuum to any cleaning corner. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.